All right, welcome back to the channel. On this video, we're going to be detailing a Cadillac Escalade. We're going to take care of the interior on it today because it does look like rain and it's starting to get dark. It's getting later on in the evening, so we're going to go ahead and take care of this interior. But of course, as you can see, it doesn't have any type of floor mats in it, so you already know it has dirt and grime ground into the carpet, has a little bit of dirt and grime in the cracks of the seat, and etc. So we're going to take care of that. We're not doing a full interior detail, but we're going to do a thorough vacuuming. We're going to move all the dust and debris, and we're going to move all the grit and grime in the cracks of the seat. So stay tuned. Let's get it. And as you can see, just by looking at this, you can already tell that vacuuming just alone is not gonna get this stuff up. So we're gonna have to pull out the big guns on this. So stay tuned. We're about to grab the big guns. Let's get it. And as you can see, judging from this area right here, you definitely can tell vacuuming alone is not gonna get all of this without having to pull out some type of drill brush or etc. But we're not gonna use a drill brush. We're gonna use a different type of brush. So stay tuned. Let's get it. As you can see, it's nice and clean in here, guys. Got the paper mats installed. No more grime build up down in the crack of those seats or in the carpet. As you can see, that carpet's nice and clean. All the way back in the back. As you can see, and as you can see, it's nice and clean inside of the vehicle. All surfaces have been wiped down. Heavy vacuuming, leather conditioning, as well as deep carpet vacuuming, you know, because you know these Escalades, they do have, it's not super thin, but all carpet, once it gets ground in that carpet, it's so hard to get out. But as you can see, it's nice and clean all over the vehicle. Paper mats installed all the way around. As you can see, it's nothing like it was. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I get a chance to take care of this vehicle in the next couple of days. I'm supposed to be doing an exterior detail on it as well, but it got dark and it's starting to rain. So stay tuned. Be on the lookout for this Escalade, so stay tuned for that. Just be on the lookout. We definitely gonna drop that video in the next couple of days. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.